Today is 27th of March. I'm now on my way to PJ. Yeah, to the Panasonic. Send my lens for service and repair. Did get about 3 hours of sleep. Feel sleepy right now. Very sleepy right now. And
A few moments later.
yeah, so that's all for my lens. Now it's in Panasonic Service Center. The main reason why I sent today is just because later I might have a project that need that lens. Yeah, and the problem that happened on that lens is how can I explain? Okay, back to last month when I was shooting for the rice cake making, the Chinese rice cake making. There's some problem happened to that. I'll show you some footage. As you can see from the footage, whenever I use my GH4 with that lens, I shoot with high speed, slow motion. Yeah, I'm not sure is it ISO or the aperture or the shutter, I don't know, but the picture will get dark suddenly without any reason. The setting all the same, but it turns dark immediately from 100 to 0 without any notice, and only happens to that lens. A new lens which I'm using right now has no issue yeah, related to that stuff, so finally a problem with the lens, so just send to there in case I need to use it in my coming project. Yeah, that's all for it. And yeah, now it's about 2:30. I need to go out in half an hour to meet someone, and yeah, I think I'll see you later.
Later.
It's raining and going out to have a drink with TK. Yeah, for information, drinking sections in the mama is part of my life.